He doesn't give his trousers. Give me your trousers. No. And this is the coastline of Vietnam. Yes. Well, it's a coastline, yes. Not spectacular, but hey, we made it to the we made it to the coast. Yeah, wow. Must say, it's nice. I don't know what kind of patties they are. Is it for fish or I don't think it's for rice. I think it's for fish. They breed fish, or how do you say it? You still see the houses of built a bit like the French style, so that's nice. They have a lot of things from the French still. He dreams of bigger things. Not a word of English, and I don't speak Vietnamese. Wow, it is beautiful here. The mountains afar, where all the clouds are. Yesterday, almost 6 hours in the rain. Raining, 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 raining.
He said it hasn't rained here in 3 months.
And
raining
now,
today.
oh yeah, just today. In the most desolated area you can find. No place to hide. Well, only this one. Hello. And no hotel. No, nothing. So, and this is the weather. I bought new shoes, and they say it's waterproof. Gore-Tex waterproof. So here we're waiting. This is the guy I met on the street.
You want to see my shoes?
He's smarter than me. He doesn't pay a lot of money for shoes. He just plastic bag. Oh, they have trousers. Good. You have more trousers? For me?
Em đang hỏi áo mưa đấy. Còn
Good.
nhiều đấy.
Wow. He doesn't give his trousers. Give me your trousers. No. Okay. So I thought maybe I can get his trousers, but no. And they're very smart. They're just on flip-flops, so it's getting wet anyway.
Might be a way to do it.
Yeah, I think so too. Just flip-flops because your feet's getting wet anyway. There they are. It finally stopped raining a little bit here, but look at this. Well, for one thing, I'm soaked, but this is the view you get. Isn't it beautiful?
Sun is trying to poke through.
And you see, after rain, the sun will shine again. And that's Mark. I'm glad I met him.
Hey,
We share the pain of the rain.
so much pain.
6 hours driving through the mountains, and it was raining. And now, look at this. The sun shines. You hear nothing.